Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add personal information to the KLM application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the profile or account button down below, which is the fourth option, and then click on my profile. Here you can add your personal information such as your personal email address or your business email, which is optional. Then you can add your phone number, your country code, and the business details such as the country code, mobile phone or phone number, and your address can be added to, including your postal code, city, country or region, and you can also add the business address too. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.